everybody. You might notice behind me that a section of our construction that was closed off is now open for our swimmers to be able to access the pool. So let's go take a look at some of the updates. We are so excited that our swimmers and divers are now able to use this renovated space. We went from 8 lanes to 10, and much of our equipment is new, including our HVAC equipment, so that means that it will be a much more enjoyable experience for our fans, especially when we're winning. The PE area and the gymnasium are also open too. PE classes will begin using the pool second semester. We are so excited to have these areas back because, as you can see, it's quite a busy space around here all the time.
Working on my fitness.